Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my video. My name is Daniel Parsons, and today I'm going to do an honest review of the 30 Days Email Journey Hacks. But before we get on with the review, there's three things in addition to this course that you need to know before you ever buy the course. 30 Days Email Journey Hacks review. So 30 Days is an email marketing program that's put together by Traffic Domination Network, and it's actually owned by a guy called Wayne Crowe, who's very famous in his industry for doing these sort of trainings. So what are you going to get within the 30 days training? On the right hand side you can see a list of things that's included. There's a lot of stuff that's in there, but basically if I run through, obviously it shows you from the very beginning to the very end. So it's about getting yourself set up, learning how to build a different type of list, email lists, and how you're going to make money from it. You've got 100 free clicks as well to get you started, so you can test your system and make sure that it's working correctly. You've got 30 days of training to be able to start building your list. Different types of lists that we build, different types of emails and how you actually send your emails out, how to optimize the emails, how to get traffic to the emails, and what sort of traffic you should be buying, how you track your emails and how you track your offers that you're sending out inside your emails as well, how to set up a brand so that people know who it is that's sending the emails if you're setting up a relationship list or something like that, building up your business, your email marketing business, how to build that and how to set that up as a proper business. And then there's so much more as well. There's other things as well which you'll be able to see inside there is basically how to build a clear profit plan. That's all inside the training. Maximize your list building profits, and how to create a list that makes sales. These are all some key points within inside the 30 days training. On the right hand side you can see the back office part, or the members area as we should say, and that's the 30 days membership area. What you'll see on the left hand side is 1 to 30, and that's a different training module for every single day. And inside the training module is a video and some things that you need to do to get yourself set up. So that's basically about the 30 days email journey hacks. It's a resource that you want to bookmark and keep with you at all times, because you will need to refer back to it. I've been doing the training for 30 days now I've been on this training for about 3 months, 4 months or so, and I'm always going back to the 30 days training because there's always things and new golden nuggets that you can pick up from the training. And then Wayne also updates the videos quite often as well. So there's three things, as I said before, that would make this the best offer for you. What you're going to need once you've finished all the training, you're going to need traffic, you're going to need sales, and you're going to need email hacks. And I'm aiming to help you out in those three regards. So don't worry, with my exclusive bonus package, you will have all you need to have. You will have all that you need to have the most success possible from this training and to start your email marketing business. So let's go on to it. There's three bonuses. Bonus one is Tube Traffic Ninja. This is an ebook. It gives you so much information about setting up and driving traffic to your YouTube channel. Tips and tricks inside to help you get the most out of your channel and how to market your channel as well. So you can find out how to create meaningful YouTube videos and so much more. Bonus number two, how to market your product, and inside is a free checklist as well. Basically what this is an ebook that teaches you how to pick a product and how to market that product so that you can start making money from it as well. And there's a free checklist inside that helps you sort of check off all the points as you're going through the necessary steps to get yourself set up. And then bonus three is another ebook, but it's got seven top hacks inside. These have got from some big email guys around, and basically put them all together into one ebook to give you 7 of the top hacks in the email marketing business. how to get your emails delivered and how to get them opened and how to get people to click on your emails as well. Simple solutions to create big results. So that's the three bonuses there. So how do you get instant access to the bonus package? So simply all you do is below this video is going to be some links. So below here is some links, and there's a link to the sales page for the 30 days email journey hacks course. So you have to review the sales page, go through the steps in there, and then make your purchase after that. And once you've made your purchase, you'll get instant access to the bonus package and all the training that's involved as well. So how do you get your bonuses? Once you've signed up, you'll receive an email from me with a link to all your bonuses. And if you've got any problems with anything about that later on, how to get your bonuses, or it's not easy to get them, or some reason, then you can always send me an email. You can find me on Facebook, and basically, you can send me some comments on this YouTube as well. So that's great. So if you've got any comments, as I said, leave them below. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And that's it. Until next time. Thanks very much.